Most people use the wrong USB-C method. Here are the 3 fastest ways to move your files without losing anything. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, my old Samsung phone is on the right side and my new Samsung phone is on the left. For the first method, go to the shortcut menu on your old phone. Now find the quick share option and turn it on. If Bluetooth is off, turn it on here. After that, repeat the same steps on your new phone. Now, I want to transfer some files from the new phone to the old phone, so I'll tap receive on the new phone. If you want to transfer files from the old phone to the new phone, you already know what to do. Now select whatever you want to transfer, whether it's photos, videos, or any other files. Then tap done. Select your device here. Then tap receive on the old phone and accept the pop-up when it appears. Now, the next method is really easy and fast. For this one, use the link in the description to download DroidKit on your device, then install it. Once it's installed, open DroidKit and you'll see a screen like this. You can use it for data recovery and many other things, but to transfer your data, go to the Data Manager section and open Android Mover. Now choose the option that matches what you want to do. Then connect both phones with a USB-C cable. If any permissions appear, allow them. Select the data you want to transfer. Then tap Next and the transfer will begin. For the next method, all you need is a USB-C cable that can connect both phones. First, connect the cable to the new phone, then connect it to the old phone. If you see a permission request, allow it. Now open Smart Switch on both phones, which is Samsung's built-in app. On the phone you're sending data from, select Send from this phone. On the other phone, select Receive. Now scan the QR code with the phone. Here, choose the custom option to transfer your data. Then tap Next. Select everything you want to transfer. Finally, tap Transfer. The transfer will start. When it's finished, tap Done. That's it. If you're still having any problems, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.